huge! That is absolutely huge! Yes! Yes! Tsunamis! Wow! Protect!
A tornado touches down, causing destruction as it moves through the area, tearing apart buildings and trees in its path. A strong thunderstorm hits, with frequent lightning strikes lighting up the sky and loud thunder shaking the ground.
Yes, I'm okay. A little bit of sparks and arcs. Easy.
Oh my God.
A flood overwhelms a tunnel, causing water to rise quickly, trapping vehicles and making it impassable. A tornado brings dangerous winds, uprooting trees and damaging structures as it moves through the area.
It literally went down the alley. Holy
La ilaha illallah! 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 La ilaha illallah!
A tornado forms, rapidly spinning and causing widespread damage as it moves across the landscape. The ocean water overflows, flooding coastal areas and inundating nearby streets with waves and strong currents.
That is absolutely huge! Yes! Yes!
Heavy winds and rain hit the area, causing damage to structures and flooding roads.
Holy moly, it is screaming. I'm seeing electrical flashes behind me. Wow.
Floodwaters rise with such force that they sweep away houses, leaving destruction in their wake. Strong winds batter the area, damaging houses and tearing off roofs.
Oh my God! Did you see that?
Rain's a little wild. Pump. Yes, I'm okay. A little bit of sparks and arcs.
Oh my God!
Powerful winds strike again, causing further damage to homes and uprooting trees. Floodwaters quickly rise, covering roads and submerging buildings in the affected area. An ice storm hits, coating everything in thick layers of ice, causing power outages and hazardous conditions. Layers of ocean water surge forward, flooding coastal areas and washing over the land.
It's gonna be another one to go down, probably. Goes our tree.
Ocean layers rise, sending waves crashing onto the shore and flooding nearby areas.
And about Chandler Heights. And then this is south.
An ice storm hits, covering everything in ice and creating dangerous, slippery conditions.
Whoa, 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 whoa! fuck.
Floodwaters from the ocean rush inland, flooding coastal areas and affecting homes and infrastructure. A volcano erupts, spewing ash and lava, and causing widespread destruction in nearby areas. Floodwaters rise, covering streets and homes as heavy rain continues to pour.
Look at that town's getting hit. We're drive up, Ricky. Yeah, drive up there.
Thunder and lightning strike, lighting up the sky and creating loud, powerful sounds. A tornado forms, spinning quickly and causing significant damage as it moves across the area.
There goes a whole bunch of stuff. Stand.
Heavy winds and rain hit the area, causing damage to buildings and flooding streets. The floodwaters stretch for miles, covering large areas and making travel nearly impossible.